What's up? I'm just finishing up my day here and just thinking about kind of how I spent the 9 hours that I've been here in the office, and I was thinking, what other sales reps are possibly doing with their days, what they're, how they're utilizing their time, and I spent the majority of my day on LinkedIn, Twitter, Spiceworks, Reddit. Um, and I'm just thinking, like, if you're not doing that, what are you doing as a sales rep? And I think this message is more geared towards reps who are just kind of starting off, maybe year one, year two at a company, didn't walk into a base set of accounts that they could just manage and grow. You were expected, to go out there and hunt and get your own accounts. Um, for senior reps, I get it. You guys are managing accounts, you're working current deals, you're trying to upsell, meeting with current clients, getting referrals into others. I get all that, right? You don't spend as much time on social media. You don't spend as much time prospecting. You're on the phone a lot more. You're outside, meeting with clients, like I said. But for a new sales rep who doesn't have accounts, what are you doing with your day if you're not on social media? Right. I mean, I know you're on social media personally. You're looking at Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, uh, reading stuff, whatever. But for your job, if you're not on social media, connecting with people, starting conversations, commenting on posts, reading, learning, researching about these prospects that you want to get in front of, making calls when necessary, sending your emails, working any current deals that you have. Where's the majority of your time spent if it's not on social media? I'm curious to know. Please comment below. This is not, me taking a stance one way or the other. I just want to know your opinion.